Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas. Welcome back in the next video of Programming Using Java Assignment series. Today we will solve Abstract Exercise 1. You can get full playlist link in the description. Let's read the problem statement. Anchor College offers both graduate and postgraduate programs. The college stores the names of the student, their state score, and the final result for each student. Each student has to take 4 tests in total. You need to create an application for the college by implementing the classes based on the class diagram and description given below. Here we can see three class diagrams which are student, undergraduate student and graduate student. Undergraduate and graduate student classes are extending student class, means here we will use concept of inheritance. In the method description they have given student class parameterized constructor and set test score method description, which is a setter method for test score variable. Then we can see undergraduate student parameterized constructor and generate result method description. After that, graduate student parameterized constructor and generate result method description, means generate result is a abstract method and we will implement it as our need in this different two classes. After that, sample input and outputs are given. Okay, so copy this code and paste here. First of all, we should know that if there is a abstract method in the class, then we should declare that class as abstract. Now create three variables: string student name, int array type variable test score, and its size will be 4, and string test result. Then create a parameterized constructor in which we will initialize student name. Then declare generate result, which is abstract method. Hence we will not implement it here. Then getter and setters. But here we need to do little changes in the setter method of test score variable, because to set the value of test score variable we need these two variables. You can see how it's working in the tester class here, and student class is complete. Then in undergraduate student class create a parameterized constructor. Here we have not declared any variable, so here we need to use parent class constructor. After this, here we will implement generate result method as shown in the description. Here first create one integer array type variable test score to iterate scores in for loop. Then create two integer type variables sum and avg. Then put the values of get test scores method in the test scores variable. Then using for loop calculate sum of all test scores. Then calculate average. If average marks are 60 or more than 60, then that student will be pass, else that student will be fail. Now copy this code and paste below, because here we need to do very few changes. Just put graduate student word in the place of undergraduate student, and in the method put 70 in the place of 60, because here criteria of passing is average mark should be 70 or more than that. Let's run this code. Yes, we got right output. Let's compare output with the sample outputs. Here you can see sample and our output is same. In the verification, we can see only one test case is failed. So let's check what we did wrong here. It's showing that there is a problem in test scores array declaration, but I don't think there is any wrong step. But we can try other method to initialize this variable. So now we will initialize it in the constructor. And we cleared all test cases. Here you can understand that maybe the way in which we are solving problem is possibly right, but if test cases are not getting passed, then we should try to solve it in another way. Okay, so it's all for today. Stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching.